What if I told you that losing weight doesn't have to involve grueling workouts or restrictive diets? Imagine being able to burn calories while you sleep, waking up feeling lighter, more energized, and healthier. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, this dream can become a reality. In today's world, where convenience is key, losing weight while resting is no longer just a fantasy. It's possible, and in this video we're going to explore 10 scientifically backed methods to help you shed those extra pounds effortlessly while you rest. Stay tuned until the end for a bonus tip that will take your weight loss to the next level. Number 10. Prioritize sleep duration and consistency. The foundation of any weight loss journey is sleep. However, it's not just about the quantity of sleep but the quality and consistency. Research has shown that a lack of sleep not only leads to feelings of fatigue, but also affects your body's ability to regulate hunger hormones. When you sleep less than the recommended 7 to 9 hours, your body produces more ghrelin, a hormone that triggers hunger, and less leptin, the hormone responsible for making you feel full. This imbalance increases cravings, leading to overeating the following day. To promote fat burning while you sleep, aim for a regular sleep schedule and prioritize a full 7 to 9 hours of sleep per night. Number 9. Optimize your bedroom environment. While you may be focusing on your diet and exercise routines, the environment in which you sleep plays a huge role in how your body processes fat. One significant factor is the temperature of your bedroom. Studies show that a cooler room between 60-67 deg or 15-19 deg can encourage the production of brown fat in your body. Brown fat is the good fat that burns calories to generate heat, unlike white fat, which stores energy. Sleeping in a cool room can stimulate this brown fat, helping you burn more calories even while resting. Consider turning down the thermostat or sleeping with fewer blankets to maximize this natural fat burning process. Number 8. Eat a protein-rich dinner. What you eat before bed is just as important as the rest you get during sleep. Including a protein-rich meal in your evening routine can provide your body with the building blocks it needs to burn fat and repair muscles overnight. Protein helps preserve lean muscle mass, which is essential for maintaining a high metabolism. Foods such as lean meats, fish, tofu, or legumes are ideal sources of protein. A protein-packed dinner also helps keep you feeling fuller for longer, preventing late-night snacking and excess calorie consumption. So next time you're planning your evening meal, opt for a protein-rich dish that supports your body's fat-burning abilities while you rest. Number 7. Stay hydrated before bed. Water is often underestimated in its role in weight loss, but it can significantly impact your metabolism, even during sleep. Drinking a glass of water before bed can increase your resting metabolism, meaning your body continues to burn calories even while you're not moving. Proper hydration also supports your body's digestive system and helps flush out toxins, promoting better metabolic function. A well-hydrated body is more efficient at breaking down fat and converting it into usable energy. Just be mindful of drinking too much water too late in the evening, as you don't want to disrupt your sleep with frequent trips to the bathroom. Number 6. Avoid late-night snacking. We've all been guilty of reaching for a midnight snack, but late-night eating can interfere with your weight loss goals. When you eat right before going to bed, your body doesn't have enough time to digest the food properly before sleep. This can lead to weight gain over time. In addition, many late-night snacks tend to be processed, sugary, or high in unhealthy fats, which contribute to excess calorie intake. If you're hungry before bed, opt for a light snack that's low in sugar and carbs, such as a small handful of almonds or a few slices of cucumber. Aim to avoid food intake at least 2 to 3 hours before bedtime to allow your body to fully digest and enter fat-burning mode. Number 5. Incorporate magnesium into your diet. Magnesium is an essential mineral that has numerous benefits for your body, including supporting quality sleep. Studies have shown that magnesium can help improve sleep by relaxing the muscles and calming the nervous system. A good night's rest is key to regulating hormones that promote fat loss, and magnesium helps facilitate that process. Additionally, magnesium helps reduce stress levels, which in turn decreases cortisol, a hormone that can trigger fat storage, especially around the abdominal area. Incorporating magnesium-rich foods like leafy greens, avocados, bananas, and nuts into your diet can help support better sleep and promote fat loss while you rest. Number 4, utilize intermittent fasting. Intermittent fasting is a powerful eating pattern that involves alternating between periods of eating and fasting. By extending the fasting window, your body enters a state where it burns stored fat for energy instead of relying on food for fuel. One of the most popular fasting schedules is the 16-8 method, where you fast for 16 hours and eat during an 8-hour window. This fasting approach encourages fat loss while still allowing you to enjoy meals. The best part? When practiced correctly, intermittent fasting maximizes fat-burning processes while you sleep, making it an effective strategy for weight loss. Number 3, boost your metabolism with exercise. Although exercise is often seen as something that happens during the day, it plays a critical role in the fat-burning process during sleep. High-intensity interval training (HIIT) is one of the most effective forms of exercise for boosting metabolism. HIIT workouts involve short bursts of intense activity followed by brief rest periods, which help increase calorie burn even after the workout is complete. This post-workout fat-burning effect, known as excess post-exercise oxygen consumption epoch, continues for hours, meaning your body is still burning fat long after you've finished exercising. Incorporating HIIT into your routine can help you maximize fat loss while you sleep. Number 2, create a relaxing bedtime routine. A stressful day can lead to disrupted sleep patterns, which in turn can interfere with your body's fat-burning processes. When you are stressed, your body produces more cortisol, a hormone that can trigger fat storage, particularly in the abdominal area. Therefore, creating a relaxing bedtime routine can help you reduce stress and promote better sleep. Consider activities such as meditation, deep breathing exercises, or gentle stretches before bed to calm your mind and body. Lowering your stress levels not only improves your sleep quality but also reduces the chances of weight gain associated with high cortisol levels. Number 1, maintain a healthy, balanced diet during the day. While you're focused on optimizing your sleep routine, don't overlook the importance of a healthy diet throughout the day. Eating balanced meals with a mix of lean proteins, healthy fats, and complex carbohydrates helps keep your metabolism running efficiently, which is crucial for weight loss. Incorporating nutrient-dense foods like fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and healthy fats into your daily meals will ensure your body has the necessary nutrients to function optimally. A healthy diet combined with quality sleep and regular exercise will help you achieve your weight loss goals and keep you burning fat while you rest. Managing stress is not only essential for mental well-being, but it also plays a crucial role in weight loss. Chronic stress can elevate cortisol levels, which can slow down metabolism and promote fat storage. Engaging in activities that reduce stress such as yoga, journaling, or spending time with loved ones can help keep cortisol levels in check and allow your body to burn fat more effectively while you sleep. By implementing these simple yet effective strategies, you can unlock the power of rest and take control of your weight loss journey. Remember, it's not just about working hard at the gym, it's about giving your body the right conditions to burn fat while you sleep. Prioritize sleep, manage your stress, eat balanced meals, and watch as you wake up feeling lighter and more energized each day. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell for more insightful content on health and wellness. Share this video with anyone who could use a little extra help on their weight loss journey. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.